Hello, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. I beg this evening, a pidgin English now winner. I beg my people, wanna help me share the video. More just one sharp as it the hot so. Wait to be your plan B. What is your plan B? Good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining. Just a quick one this evening. I just want to talk about my business opportunity. But this evening, I just want to break it down with pidgin English. Now I want to come out this evening. I beg my people, wherever you dey watch me for, anywhere where you dey watch me for, abeg just share this video. Just help me share am, invite your friends, make we talk about this business opportunity this evening. Help me share this video, help me invite your friends, invite your brother, invite your sister, make we talk about this business opportunity. You understand? What is your plan B? That be my topic this evening. What is your plan B? Wetin be your plan B? Wetin you dey plan? Maybe you get extra for yourself. Wetin be your plan B, my people? Wetin be your plan B? Now wetin we wan talk about this evening, my people, my brothers and sisters wey dey watch me. Abeg, as you just dey tune, as you dey join this Facebook live, just help me press the share button. Share am, make you share am to people so that this video go viral, because a lot of people wey dey need this opportunity. Do you understand? A lot of people they will need, cause me where they wanna they watch today, I not get any idea. I never know say like this kind of thing they exist. You understand? But somebody share am through Facebook, share am. Now so I tell no say yes, this opportunity day. You understand? Now so I take grab am, because as may you tell now a little bit of my story for those of now where they join me for the first time. Now me una sister, una friend Lucy. Okay, wetin we dey do? Wetin I dey do? I dey promote healthy living around the world. You understand? Now wetin I dey do? Promote healthy living around the world. Help people make them look good, feel good, and at the same time they make extra income. You understand? Yeah, I be staying at home mom. I get 3 children. You understand? Now wetin I just dey house, they do nothing, morning to evening, just dey there, they take care of my children. The same time just dey watch home video from morning to evening. Do you understand? Good evening, my lady. Thanks for joining. Please press the share button. Help me share am. No, go there. Help me share the video. No, okay. That's no. You understand? Yeah, I dey with my business partner. No, you understand? Then my son dey 4 months old. Then when I start, I never just complete 4 months old. But as I see this opportunity, I just dey has they do nothing. But I need extra. Sorry, guys. But it's okay. Sorry. But I need extra to take support myself. You understand? Get some kind of things where you just dey house, you know they get anything. After before month ended, you don't they scratch your head. You understand? We all know. You understand? We know everything. You understand? And so I just stay look, I see the opportunity, I hear about how the business they go. You understand? Then I contact this my lady. She explained everything to me. Then I tell my husband about I just tell her, I say, CCCO. You say, okay. Then I register. Then when I register, I get my products for myself. You understand? For those of now where they watch me, you see say yes, my personal results dey there. But I don't want to talk about the product aspects today, but I want to just talk about the business, because a lot of women dey there. You just dey house. For example, you dey house with your children. You know why they do anything. You just dey for money to eat, but you need something where you dey do. Where go see they give you extra money every month. They support yourself as a woman, as a man too. For example, you dey work. Make I first start with people where they work, where if you say maybe the business not be for them, or they not get that time to take do this business. No, as you they work for people, you they come up for us every day. Go they work for company. Fine, a good thing. I not tell you say make you quit your job, but make I tell you, you need plan B to take support your income. You need plan B to take support your house. You need plan B to take support your family. You know why? Because that work where you dey go and where you dey do, maybe you dey do now, no be forever. You understand? No be forever. You get the time where you go reach. You know say this our body as it be now, maybe 5 years time, 10 years time, no go be like that again. You no fit dey strong, cause you no fit dey strong like that again. That's why we need plan B. We need something to take support ourselves. If you dey work, try to create that time. If not just 30 minutes of your time, if not 1 hour of your time, to take start your personal business as as your own, be the boss, take dey support yourself every month. Good evening, my lady, thanks for joining. Abeg una dey press the share button, share this video because you fit bless person. I bless the person wey share this video put for my Facebook when I take me this amazing opportunity, and I grab am with my two, and since then when I start this business, e don help me. And yes, now I did the right thing. I no regret of joining this business because it don help me a lot, not just only the money aspect, but to take meet people, get more ideas of some things when I feel say I no fit do am before, but true when I don join this business, I don fit dey join some kind things for Facebook when I no even know before. You understand? Get more idea. You understand wetin I dey try to talk? See am, if you know say you dey work, we all need something, plan B, to take support our income, to take support ourselves. Because as you dey do that work today, you know Sam, for get the time wey go reach now, you know say believe people dey talk say egbe here egbe, you understand? Your body no fit dey strong like that. That's why as you dey build this business as your plan B, e get where you go reach, where your body don see, you understand, your body don see dey advance small, you go quit that your job, just settle down, dey use this business, they enjoy yourself, they flex yourself, they travel around the world, they flex yourself. Now wetin we need to do, now that mentality now we need to get, because if you see these big people today, all those white people, they make and not be just that one income wey they did, not be that they get something to take support themselves. You understand? We dey go out every day morning, go dey work for people. You dey say you no go get time to take start your own business. Why you no go get time? Because this business opportunity na your own. This one na your own. Wetin you need to take start this business? For example, make I answer the question. Now for you to get your franchise with this company, to take get your franchise, be partner, take get partner with this company. The company go help you create website for you. Good evening, my beautiful lady. Thanks for joining. They go help you create website for you. Get all the products where we get, all the amazing products, all the original product. They go help you arrange and put for there. Do you understand? Now for you to just place your order for your customer, tell your customer how you go take use the product, how you go take live a healthy lifestyle. Yeah, I'm coming, my chat. You see the business when I dey talk about. I dey here, my business partner dey here with me. You see, as a mother, I will still come there, but make I just tell people how you want to start this business, how you take go with her. Now for you to just get your franchise with the company, they go create websites for you where all the products dey there. And for this business, you don't need qualification. You don't need CV. As you say, wetin I dey speak so, my people wey dey watch me now understand wetin I dey flow. Abi, you understand? Now they'll create you don't need qualification, you don't need CV, you don't need money to take invest. You understand? So maybe some people they try to do business, but they don't need that, they don't get that money to take start. My people, wetin you still dey wait for? Come join those company, come join us for this business to take start up, to get your own personal business with how much when I dey talk about, with 50 euro or 60 euro or 100 euro or 50 pounds, $50, depend on the country where you dey. Wait for the watch me. We dey everywhere. We dey 26 country. Now we dey expand from next year 2020. We dey get on extra 3 country. If you dey Romania, if you dey Portugal, if you dey Singapore, we dey grow. We be global. Our business na global business where you dey anywhere where you dey. Your business dey grow, dey go. Your own empire. You understand? Now so this business just reach. It dey very good. You where they work, try to support yourself with something. Now we not put our head for one place. If they as you they do one, you they go down your work, you get extra. We go see the break up for you. Maybe that extra you know they touch her. Calculator for 1 year. If 1 year, it just bring those money, bring a arrange come out. You go see what it go fetch for you. That's why we need plan B. We need something to take support ourselves. And if our beautiful mommy where they stay house or as a housewife, you just stay house from now. You know they do anything. Maybe your husband not let you work, or because of your children, you know if you go work for people. My mama, my sister, my beautiful mommies in the house. As you did that time where you take house, so not be to watch all video from morning to evening, but that time where you take day house, use and take build your business. This one are the business where you feel do, and just as you day house, you day with your children. The same time you say, my bros they here with me, we did one together. You understand? From there go, they take care of your children. The same time you dey build your business gradually. Your husband go even you go love you, because you know why. You dey as you dey house, the same time you dey support your husband, you dey support the family, you dey fit dey get that money wey take dey support your family for house, and you dey fit dey get that money take dey take care of yourself as a woman. You understand? This opportunity dey for us, make we grab am. The company no look our color, or they no look say maybe we not be here for come. You understand? We come from another place. Said no, they no look all those things. They make this business dey easier for us. As we will come, they open everything for us. Yes, you get this opportunity, we need to grab am. One thing where they see some people maybe they doubt if maybe I did business no before. You may tell you, as far as you dey from 18 years old, you dey from 18 years old, you be woman, you be man, you and your husband fit still dey do the business together, because now family business. You understand? You and your husband, they do it together, they grow, because your man, why you go why you flexible, you don't see carry on children go out, go flex, they live that life on a want more. No be only you both they fit they live though, go hotel, go lodge for there. You understand? You as a black, you feel still groove yourself the same time too. You understand? Now wait till they talk about with this one. If you know say you want to start your own business, you they look for something to do, just inbox me, inbox your sister. The business they very easy. You don't need to fear. You don't need to fear. They very easy to take starter. As you start, as you register the company, just they don't arrange everything, put for your website. You don't need to stress yourself. You know they cheap, they give customer. You know they take money. The company go help you carry on, arrange and put her for 1 5 carton. Go post and go press your customer bed. Arrange and put for her for there. You see why you go they talk say yes, say this business not be for you. Why you they think say imagine here I think we business. Why you not go fit do? If me wey sit down for here today, Lucy, una sister, una friend, fit do this business, you fit still do it better. You understand? You fit do it. Yeah, I'll open honest for you. You fit still do the business, my people. Come join us. Come. No look people. No let anybody distract you. Now you know what you want. Now you know the hungry. You want to do more for yourself. Now you know what I know say na person wear shoe. Now I know where that shoe they pay now. Now you know what you want for yourself. Just stand up on your comfort zone. Get up, do something for yourself. The business now life-changing business opportunity. And it don't change a lot of people life. Wait, this one not be say maybe that they fake story. No, this one are real. Already people they talk say original news. This one are original. Wait till you go join. The same time you're happy. A lot of the woman will bring me call this business. She dey here they watch me now. Now woman will don't dey house for how many years they will children not they do anything. But through this business, God don't bless her. She don't be a woman where they support husband. Now she use the business as a full-time job. She registered. Wait till you feel say now you fit take care of husband. She don't need to scratch her say I beg money not dey. You understand? Now she's living fine with this business. She don't get her own car. Not be only one. She buy one. That one don't because it carry and go fall out another one. You see? Now wait till you fit start. They build and gradually. They do one small. They do one small. The business go grow because the business na your own. Now wait till you go fit do. Time reach, you go give your children. They go continue from there. Make I ask you one question. As you they go, they work for people morning to evening, or if you carry that work, say make my children continue from there. No, it's not that possible because all when we nanny all where not be your own. What if people say not be your own? You understand? Not be your own. You need to build your own business. Is that possible? It dey possible. Just start with it. Come join. The money not big. With 50 euro to take get your franchise with company with that original company. You know there. You understand? With 60 euro to take start your own business. No, it's not too big, my people. It's not too big. This one are your own business where we dey talk about where just the company just creates that website for you where you get all products there for there. No, you don't need big money to take start am. Wait till you dey wait for. Come. Let's do and make we plan ahead for 2020. Make we start now, just start okay, and start with it. Be hungry. Let's do more as a wife or man. Make we not just depend on one income. That's why I write my topic today. What is your plan B? wetin be your plan? No matter how they help you, maybe you dey country there for the support. Sometimes if month don dey, before month even end sef, you don dey scratch your head, hey God, you go work for but all those kind of things. But if you get something wey you take dey assist yourself every day, you no go scratch your head. Through this business, God don really, I don already dey smile, because the business don really help me a lot for that aspect. It don really help me to take support my husband as well, support the family. That's why I dey talk and dey preach am, because there's a lot of women wey dey there, men too. You need extra like €100, like €200, like €500 every month to take support yourself. It's possible. Join those business, and you go, if not be that money wey dey talk, and you go even get more. You go get more. You go achieve more, my people. Now wetin I wan just talk this evening, I no want to talk am long, but as you dey watch am later, you dey watch am now. If you get any question, just inbox me, okay, and I go answer you, because it dey that na life-changing business opportunity wey God bring this business come out, may it bless us. And as you dey see am, may you just get that mentality, just focus, just tell yourself, say you go fit do one, you go fit do this business, okay? Just inbox me, and I go tell you, say, see the way you take start am, see wetin you do, it's there, see wetin you go do, and it dey very easy. It dey very easy to take start this business, my people. Make we stand up, okay? This business now, wetin you go start. Maybe say you not get any idea. Like me, this one na my first time network marketing when I did. But if you know one thing for this life, if you want to do so now, for you to just learn, and you go know more, you get more idea. I not get any idea, but I join, I learn, because we get amazing group where you go there, you learn how to build a business, learn how to do this. Yes, if you be person ready to do something, you go learn to how to build your business. Now wait till just reach me down, my people. Just inbox me, then make I tell you how to start the business, my people. It's more we try to plan ahead for 2020, or not before now, but for later. If the body don't dey, you understand what they try to talk. Maybe for season, you don't need to go stress yourself again. And for you to just sit down with your phone, with your iPad, with your laptop to build your business on your comfort zone for different country. You they receive for different country. That's the way we need to do with that one, my people. Okay, thank you everybody for watching me. Thank you for all my friends, for your support, for your love, for your sharing. I really appreciate every one of you, my people. See, if you feel say you know your English not dey good enough, use pidgin English. If you be Yoruba, use am. If you be Calabar, use am. If you be Ghana, use am. If you be Hausa, use am. If you be Benin, use am. If you be Agbo, use am. Take promote your business, my people. Okay, not look say your English not good enough, and not look what say people go laugh you. Maybe you go speak English way not correct. Let them laugh, but after month ending, every on the 10 you dey receive money for your account. Now don't be the most important thing, my people. Not look people not look all those things, because they not go help you. Okay, thank you guys, thank you everybody. May God bless you. Please inbox me and let's start with it. Let's start those plans. If you as a woman or a mom staying at home doing nothing, start this business. Okay, it's really good. It will help you a lot. When you are getting something from it, you will not like to go to people to work for them, because you are earning enough to support yourself. Okay, just try and start up this business and get started. Okay, thank you very much for everybody for watching. Please, before you go, press the share button. As you do that, may God Almighty bless you all. Okay, bye.